Hi, I'm Randy Bunton from Gulfport, Mississippi. And many times when I go into a restaurant, I ask them, what is the most reordered dish on your menu? And they tell me, and that's usually what I want to reorder because so many people have gone back time and time again. And that's what I'm finding here. So this is my second trip to IDEA. And last time we were working on surgery, and this time we're working on occlusion, because we know that the teeth are the supportive structure for the jaws. So those have to support the muscles and the joint and everything the way that they're supposed to. So today we're working on equilibrating and trying to get the muscles to be where they're supposed to be the most comfortable. And it's been one of the most enlightening courses that I've ever taken. And even beyond that, the folks that work here, the folks that put it on and support everything, have just been the best that I've ever found. And I've done a lot of continuing education through the years. So, thank you.